cathedral. Wawi.
With each sip from your lips, you're kissing me dizzy. I fight for composure, but what fun would that be? Punks and peasants who dared to impress me, singing desperate daydreams so they could undress me. They vanish completely when I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow forget me. Tonight will you let me give you all of my heart, all of my heart, show you all of the stars, because I thought I could love me more. But if you want
Ay, grabe to.
I'm all for you. Hollywood's buzzing. Our hearts are thumping. And I know you want me, 'cause I feel like you could love me. Tomorrow forget me. Tonight will you let me give you all of my heart, show you all of the stars, because I thought I could love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Give you a million flowers, show you my secret powers,
Wow, wawi.
because I thought I could love anymore.
Grabe oh. Pag nandito ko.
If you want me to, I'm
Kala mo ang liit.
tomorrow forget.
Nandito ng laki.
But tonight, stay the night.
Ako naman ako.
Forget me.
Dear, videoan mo lang.
Naka-video to.
Tonight, will you let me give you all of my heart, show you all of the stars, because I thought I could love anymore. But if you want me to,
Sa'yo na ba?
Sayang.
a million flowers,
Ganda, ang ganda.
my secret powers, because I thought I could love anymore. But if you want me to, I'm all for you. Give you all my heart, I'm all for you.
Oo. Sarap sana. Kaso maalon. Kung hindi sana maalon. Buti nga ganito pa yung alon. Kung yung kumakampay talaga, hindi tayo malapit dito. Babangga na tayo. Grabe yung mga taas pala. Ang lumag oh. Nandito. Maliit na bangka lang ang pwede rito. Hindi rin. Oo, maliit liwanag. Ganda sana doon maglakad oh. Kasi hindi tayo makaano.
Bawal ka ba?
Bawal. Ito yung cathedral.
Itawid ka na lang.
Cathedral gate.
Kaya tinawag siya katitro kasi yung shape na kanya.
Oo, mataas eh. Pag ganun eh. Parang yung sa mga simbahan na cathedral. Oo, entrance.
Next model.
Picturean mo ako dito yung dito ako. Ano, panorama mo kaya?
Panorama. Ay, wait lang. Hindi nakapanorama.
Doon ka ba?
Panorama.
Or dito?
Error eh. Bakit ganun? Ba? Nangyari? Ay, gumano ng panorama. Hindi na kailangan panorama to, kuwang-kuha na to eh.
Magalaw siya.
Teka. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oo, okay na.
Bakit ikaw? Spider-Man! Kaya mo ba?
Kuya,
Spider-Man!
okay ka na dyan?
Kaya mo ba dyan?
Yes, kuya. Saan may ano dyan, teritoryo ni kuya yan?
Spider-Man kumapit.
Sino ba ba?
Ah, sino pa? Sino pa? Sino pa?
Kaya.
Wala.
Oh.
Di ba?